Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save your chat history in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click on the search bar. Type ChatGPT and press enter. Then click on the official ChatGPT website from the search results. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. I want to tell you something important. ChatGPT automatically saves your chat history as long as you're signed into your account. Now click on the ChatGPT icon in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see all of your previous chats listed in the left side panel. Click on any chat to open it and continue reading or chatting. If you want to save a specific chat on your device, open that conversation and click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Then copy the shared chat link. You can save this link anywhere you like, such as in your notes, Google Docs, or any other document, so you can easily access the conversation later. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.